just have my place.
Today we will make a fancy upgrade for my LS3 trailer. We are going to install the brand new portable power station, the AC180 from Bluetti. We will install a solar panel on top of the trailer and then also a lot of LED lights inside and on the outside of the trailer, so that we will have the most fancy, the coolest glider trailer at a gliding competition when you deregulate at night. So that this one gets charged by solar power during day, and then at night I can charge my batteries for the glider, I can charge all my camera equipment batteries and even an e-bike at night. Time to clean the dirty trailer. So now I heard that it's important to use some piece of wood or something to make an even pressure onto the flexible solar panel, because otherwise you can destroy the solar panel. But we need some pressure that it will stick properly. This time I'm here at the airfield in Eichstätt, and we had an amazing week here training the Bavarian juniors. As you can see, the weather is not always good, and this evening I have the time to finally show you my new trailer build, my new trailer setup with all the LED lights and the solar panel. Yeah, so let's get to the trailer, check it out. On this side you can already see the first light. So this here is the portable power station from Bluetti, the AC180. It can output 230 volts AC with maximum 1800 watts continuous power. And then you can see here we have the solar panel input. I attached here a 180 watts solar panel, a flexible solar panel on top of the trailer. Then here we have the 12 volts output to all our LED lights. At the moment we use only 36 watts, which is quite okay. So we have 24 hours left with this setup here. I have turned on all my lights, the LED strip in front and also the LED light on the outside. Other than this, we have here a lot of USB ports, and then I strap down here the whole setup at this position, which works quite good because then the Bluetti portable power station is safe from all the other equipment here in the trailer, because you throw all the stuff in and don't want to damage this expensive power station here. And I don't lose any space. The only thing is you need to know this Bluetti AC180 weighs about 17 kilograms. So take care with the weight on the front of the trailer. And then here the setup is really simple. You have here the DC button, you have the AC button, then here in the middle you can see how long the battery remains. Now we can have this setup for 21 hours. Yeah, and then you can see here the output, and on the left hand side the input, but now it's already late, so there's no solar power input. We will now test and charge the batteries of the glider here as well with 230 volts. Of course, it is not necessary to use 230 volts for these things. That's a little bit of overkill, the setup, but I'm really glad that Bluetti is sponsoring this video, so I can do this overkill and crazy build here. Let's check out the RGB strips here. I'm not completely happy with the light output of these LED strips. It could be slightly brighter, but yeah. I will link all the equipment, all the stuff I bought here for the setup down below, so you can have a look here as well. So this here is the remote controller, so we can turn it on, off, can take a different color, we can fade or do some other stuff if it's, yeah. Now you can see it's flashing and so on. So it is just a fun setup. It's not too bright. I'm really curious when it's dark how it looks like. And then we have here this switch attached for the outside to turn on the big light, so that we can de-rig the glider at night or rig it early in the morning. And then I have attached here some Velcro so that I can stick it here, the remote back on, so that I always have it with me on the correct place. And then front you can also see here perfectly this light. You can turn it off, turn it on, and then you can see what you have here in your luggage compartment stuff down here. Yeah. Here from another side, portable power station, and then here you can see the wires fixed with a lot of zip ties and so on. So yeah, quite happy with this build.